Emmersion certifies the language ability of bilingual job applicants and employees to give companies an edge to win against their competition. Let's walk through Emmersion's AI language assessment system together. Emmersion certifies speaking and writing ability in over 9 languages. Each assessment takes about 15 minutes or less to complete. Assessments are sent to the candidate through a link that can be created through the administrator portal or automatically through an API integration to your applicant tracking system. Candidates access the assessment through a test taker dashboard. Here, they can see all of their pending or completed assessments. Emmersion's Speaking Proficiency Assessment is one of a kind. It is the world's first fully adaptive automated speaking proficiency test. The test uses a methodology known as Elicited Imitation, which is a more scientific way of saying listen and repeat. This method, along with the patented artificial intelligence scoring system, allows for extremely accurate scoring without the need for human verification. The user begins by listening to a series of phrases and repeating them back one at a time.
I was going to run a mile, but the phone rang.
I was going to run a mile, but the phone rang. After each phrase, they will receive a different phrase that is of higher or lower difficulty. The typical assessment gives between 12 and 24 phrases before the system reaches a high enough confidence level to provide a score. Following the listen and repeat portion, the candidate receives 3 opportunities to respond in an open response format. They will receive prompts that are at the level of their ability based on Part 1. For example, a user who scored on the higher end of the scale might receive the prompt shown here. They have 30 seconds to review each prompt and up to 1 minute to record an open response. As soon as they complete the assessment, the results are sent to the recruiters and the score reports are available for review. Our goal is to quickly provide data to make decisions. Recruiters and managers can access the results immediately after a test is completed. One way to access the results is through our administrator portal. You can search for a candidate by name or email to see all of their completed or pending assessments. You can also find the recently completed assessments in the results table. Additionally, you can download all of the results to a CSV file for easy sharing or analysis. For real-time notifications, you can set up an email address where you can receive the results as soon as the assessment is completed. Emmersion scores language proficiency on our proprietary TrueNorth Scale. The TrueNorth Scale scores to 100 levels. This means you can easily adjust your decision-making based on the needs of the role, the market conditions, or client expectations. This is one of the things that makes Emmersion unique. Other automated or human-rated assessments can only provide 5 to 7 levels of distinction, making it difficult to differentiate between candidates. Our team of language experts can help you with a custom calibration to accurately determine your passing scores and set automatic labels right inside the product. This allows your recruiters to easily see what position a candidate is qualified for based on their score. In addition to our 100-point scale, we also provide the equivalent score on other language scales such as CEFR. For each assessment given, a certificate is provided. You have the option for this to be provided automatically to each candidate or to send it to them manually upon request. Everything we've shown you here can also be integrated and automated through our open API. This allows you to automate the applicant experience and put the results in a system your talent acquisition team is already familiar with. The data that comes from consistently assessing language performance is a valuable tool for your company. The average company using Emmersion to screen for language sees up to 50% reduction in time to hire, 25% increase in employee retention, and 15% higher customer satisfaction scores. Give it a try and see how Emmersion can make a difference for you.